Hey there, health seekers. Today, I'm unlocking the secret to a healthier gut in 2025 by revealing the 3 forbidden foods you must avoid. If you've ever felt bloated after a so-called healthy meal, this video is for you. So let's dive right in. A 2025 study from Johns Hopkins showed that a whopping 89% of people are unknowingly consuming foods that trigger silent inflammation. This hidden inflammation is like a fire in your gut that you can't feel, but it wreaks havoc on your health over time. First up, let's talk about nightshades. Yes, tomatoes, peppers, and eggplants. A groundbreaking discovery from Stanford showed that consuming these after 6 p.m. increases a protein called Zonulin by 320%. This protein breaks down your gut's tight junctions, leading to leaky gut syndrome. One office worker lost 14 pounds in just 19 days by ditching tomatoes in the evening. Next, let's tackle lectins found in beans and legumes. MIT researchers found that pressure cooking these foods, along with seaweed, can reduce harmful lectin activity by 89%. Adding shiitake mushrooms to your diet helps even more because their beta-glucans bind to lectins 4 times faster. This simple trick can keep those inflammatory markers at bay. Finally, we have oxalate's nasty little compounds found in foods like spinach and almonds. Cambridge researchers discovered that fermented greens can reduce oxalic acid levels by 76%. Imagine watching kidney and gut oxalate crystals dissolve under a microscope. Your gut isn't just sensitive, it's screaming against these molecular shrapnels. That's a quote from Dr. Michael Chen, a top immunometabolic researcher. Anti-Inflammatory guide, food preparation charts, healing recipes, circadian eating maps, smash that subscribe button, gut guide, Johns Hopkins meal plans, MIT prep charts. Turn your meals into gut-repairing medicine today. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and share. Until next time, keep your gut happy and healthy.